Peter and John Marie and our families, I want to thank you all for coming to share this joyful day together. For those of you who haven't been around Peter and John Marie for the past year as they became engaged, we want you to know that we have been experiencing a weekly countdown to this day. We would often hear, in 4 months we will be married, or in a month and 5 days we will be married. For someone who isn't married like me, the thought of meeting someone you want to spend the rest of your life with seems kind of out of reach or like a dream. But when it happens, I'm sure it fills you with the joy that I've seen in my new big sister. I am so happy that I get to have such an amazing sister like you. We have made so many great memories together that I never want to forget, and will make much more that I can't wait for. We hope you enjoyed listening to the newlywed couple. We now would like to present a few more numbers for your enjoyment. To start, we have a mother-daughter duet, the ever-popular Under the Bamboo Tree from the movie Meet Me in St. Louis. Accompanying is a school friend from Peter's days at St. Patrick's, Kristen, soon to be married to her high school sweetheart, Faisal. And performing, Susan and Felicity Gottschalk.